Hey guys, welcome back to another channel. Today I got this smart bird feeder right here, as you can see. I got a couple of bird feeders around the house, and I wanted to add one to my collection, and this one I got from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. I'm not sponsored by this seller. I just want to grab the best one that was posted on Amazon with the best reviews. So I found this, and this is the smart bird feeder. It's got a camera, so you can see birds sitting on it, and when they try to sit on it, it'll activate the sensor, which basically activates the camera to start recording. And so I've been really wanting to get one of these for the house. I'm gonna do a quick unbox, see what's inside, and hopefully I can turn it on and everything and play around with it. This thing's on sale for $109 Canadian. It's got 20% off right now. And the reason I got this is because it has a few things that's really useful for me. For example, you can get an app. So basically in the app, you can have notification of any type of bird that comes and sits, and it'll try to identify the bird as well. So I haven't gone through the app yet, but I'm going to do that right now. Got the user manual. This could be the solar panel, yeah. Working really well. A couple of USBs. I'm not sure what this strap is for. And it has the mounting screws, antenna. Here's the cover for it. So this is where the birds will sit and feed. So there's a bracket. Very good quality, good material. These are the fruit holders. Apparently you can attach fruit on top of them. Leave it right here for them to nibble on, I guess. I must say this is one of the best and strongest bird feeders I've seen in the market. So there it is. All the fruit holders are attached. Now in the back, you see the silicone protected connection for the USB. The USB's got a really long cable. It's easy to connect. And what you guys want to make sure is that you don't connect it this way, because you'll risk of water penetration to go inside and basically remove the circuits. So close this one up and you open this latch, this tiny latch over here, and you then push this in. All right, now that the solar panel is installed, I just want to show you something. So if you can tilt this up, and in here, you should be able to turn it on and attach and put in your micro SD card inside. So this thing comes with a subscription. I haven't looked at it, but if you don't want a subscription, you just put in the micro SD card and you can just check out the stuff on your app and reload the events through your micro SD card. If you get a subscription, I guess it does help in storing it in the cloud. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it on and see if it turns on. The lights is blinking right now. Got a micro SD card in here, and there's a QR code on the box. You can scan this QR code and download it on Google Play Store and the Apple Store. It's called Vico Smart Home Camera. So you go add a device, you allow, and you have to wait till you hear a sound, and it's making a sound right now. So you go next step, searching for device, boom, found the device right here. Very easy to connect. So one thing I was having a problem with is it keeps saying, please format the SD card. I kept trying to do it. I tried to change the format from NTFS to exFAT, and it didn't work, and I tried it back again. After the upgrades are done, then you see here availability of formatting the SD card. And how I got into that menu was I went here, this is settings right here.
Please use the app to format your SD card.
And there you can see SD card wrong format. Confirm. It's formatting the SD card right now. And everything's operational now. Hello. The quality is pretty good. Once you download the video, I guess, so you can actually press to talk right here. There's a press to talk button. And this lens is 120 degrees or 170 degrees. It has a wide angle fisheye lens on it. So you can activate an alarm, lighting, and also you can put it to sleep. So I'm gonna activate the alarm and see how loud this is. And the light is pretty bright, as you can see right here. All right. So I have it here installed on this magnolia tree. I used 1-inch screws on the back. I didn't go too deep into the tree trunk to penetrate the veins. And so it's safe to say that a 10-inch trunk like this, 1-inch screw will not damage it. So it is pretty sturdy, but bigger birds will have it wobbly a little bit when they're sitting down. So I'm hoping I don't get too many big birds. Usually I have the Stellar Jays and some woodpeckers here and a couple of finch that come along and feed on these. And I also have the solar panel hooked up like that. I know the wiring is a little bit weird here. I couldn't hide the wire, it's not long enough. In the future I will run the wire down and into the ground and from here all the way up to there, but I don't do that right now. And I have the south facing solar panel, which I'll get a lot of sun wintertime and summertime from east to west. I'm gonna fill it up right now. I have a mix of bird feed here. I'm gonna fill it up with a couple of buckets and see how it goes. You got the basic subscription for 15 days cycle, so every 15 days it will reset, and that is $2.99 monthly. Then the next one up is the Plus at $4.49, and the next one up is $7.99. And these go yearly at $31 a year, $48 a year, or $85 a year. I would probably go with the basic 15-day cycle and try it out at $2.99 and just cancel the subscription. $31 a year is not that bad actually. The bird AI recognition comes with the subscription. So if you don't have the subscription, your camera's not gonna recognize the bird. The pros is that it's very well built. Hard plastic ABS. And this thing, you can drop it and nothing will happen to it. Very strong, durable piece of device and packaging. Easy to assemble. The only confusing part was that in the instructions it didn't say how to connect this. And I like all the accessories that came with it. The fruit holder where the birds can sit in here and have the fruit. And obviously here you can have the food and stuff on here. The solar panel is good quality. I can test it out and show you guys too later on. After a month or two, I'll give you another feedback. The camera is really good. Big fisheye lens of 170 degrees, I would say. Waterproof and really well built. The app is very user friendly. It's got alarm. You can turn on the alarm. You can turn on the lights. You can turn on basically the microphone so you can listen in. The only thing is that it's a little bit laggy, but again, it depends where you put it. Right now, I hooked up to a Wi-Fi where it's a little bit farther to this. I got two routers, so one router is hooked up to devices like this, and the other one is hooked up to just my computers. And yeah, it's you can fill it up here, all the food you can fill up in here, and it'll just pour down from the bottom. It has a lot of capacity here, so you can fill up quite a bit. I'm sure it'll last at least a month. And yeah, that's all the pros for it. Very durable, I love it. I think for the price, $100 Canadian with 20% off right now at this time, it's a steal. It's a steal to buy this, because I know there's bird feeders out there without any cameras and they're going around 40, 50 bucks minimum. Now the cons of this is that I don't like is that it's got a subscription. I know a lot of people don't like that, but the subscription isn't that bad. I mean, $64 Canadian a year to get the AI to recognize the birds that actually come and sit and feed. That's pretty amazing. And then you get the 30-day cycle of recordings, which is good as well. And you get cloud storage recording. So yeah, I wouldn't setting up the subscription to checking out the different types of bird species that land in here. It'll send you the notification, it'll tell you the date, it records longer duration. So I think it's a must-have, so I'll give it a try. That's all, folks. This is my review of the smart bird feeder, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. I'm not getting sponsored by anybody, so any like or comments helps me out a lot. So thanks again, guys, for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys next time.